Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Audi A3 fuel cap. First, ensure your vehicle is completely unlocked and the engine is off for safety. The fuel flap is typically found on the passenger side rear of your Audi A3. Unlike some older cars, most modern Audi A3 models do not have an interior release button. To access your fuel cap, simply walk to the passenger side rear of your Audi A3. With the car unlocked, gently press on the rear edge of the fuel flap. You should feel and hear a small click as the latch releases, allowing the flap to spring open slightly. Now, you can easily pull the fuel flap open completely to reveal the fuel cap. Once the fuel flap is open, you will see the fuel cap. To remove it, simply twist the cap counterclockwise until it loosens completely. Many Audi A3 models have a convenient holder on the inside of the fuel flap where you can place the cap while you refuel. Now you are ready to fill your tank with the appropriate fuel. After refueling, replace the fuel cap by twisting it clockwise until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely tightened. Then, gently push the fuel flap closed until it latches firmly into place. If your fuel flap ever gets stuck, you can find an emergency release cord, usually red, inside the trunk behind an access panel on the fuel flap side. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.